Hi guys, you're watching advanced tutorials, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how to construct an ellipse by the concentric circle method. Suppose the question asks you that the major axis of your ellipse is equal to how much? 100 mm, and the minor axis of your ellipse is equal to 50 mm. So what you need to do is, first of all, take this mini drafter and draw a horizontal line of length 10 centimeter or 100 mm. This will represent the major axis of your ellipse. Let me name this as A and this as point B. So this line AB represents the major axis of my ellipse. Next, what you need to do is you need to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line. We know how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Open the compass little less than the length AB and draw an arc in this direction and in this direction. Place your compass at point B and draw an arc in this direction and in this direction. But remember guys, these arcs should always be dim. Next, we know that the major axis of our ellipse is equal to how much? 50 mm. So that will be around 25 mm below this line AB and 25 mm above this line AB. So let me draw 25 mm below this line AB. Here it is. And 25 mm above this line AB. Let me name this as C and this as point D. These two axes, that is the major axis AB and the minor axis CD, are intersecting each other at certain point. Let me mark that point and name the point as point O. Next, what you need to do is you need to open this compass equal to OB. Here it is, equal to length OB. Place it at point O and draw a dim circle. So this is my dim circle. You also need to open this compass equal to OD or OC. Let me open it equal to OC. Place your compass at point O and draw another dim circle. Alright, next what you need to do is, let me first extend this minor axis CD a bit so that it will also represent the vertical diagonal of my larger circle, whose diameter is equal to AB. Let me name this as point E and this as point F. Alright. Next, what you need to do is you need to divide this circle whose diameter is equal to AB into 12 equal parts. So I will again open the compass equal to OB and draw, place it at point B and draw an arc in this direction and in this direction, intersecting my circle. Then I'll switch to this point, that is the point A, and draw an arc in this direction and in this direction. Then I'll go to point F and draw an arc in this direction and in this direction. Then I go to final point, that is this point E, and draw an arc in this direction and in this direction. You can see that I have divided my circle whose diameter is equal to AB or FE into 12 equal parts. Let me mark those points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This has point 6, 7, 8, and 9. Next, what you need to do is you simply need to join this point A with point 6 passing through this origin. So let me join this one with point 6. But remember guys, this line should also be dim. Similarly, I need to join this point 2 with point 7, again passing through origin. So here it is. All right. Then I need to, similarly, I need to join this point 9 with point 4 as well. Point 3 with point 8, again passing through origin. So I have divided my circle whose diameter is equal to AB into 12 equal parts. You can see that these lines, that is 1, 6, 2, 7, 4, 9, 3, 8, has also intersected my smaller circle whose diameter is equal to CD. I will mark those points as well. So they have divided my inner circle into 12 equal parts as well. Let me mark those points. Now, next, what you need to do is you need to draw the vertical lines from these points. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And horizontal line from these points. Let me name this as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, and 9 dash. Alright. So you need to draw the vertical lines in the downward direction above this line AB, and in the upward direction below this line AB. So let me place it at point A1, sorry, and draw a dim vertical line in the downward direction. Point 2, dim line in the vertical downward direction. Point 3, point 4, point 6, point 7, and point 8, point 9. All right. Next, we need to draw the horizontal line from this point 1 dash intersecting this vertical line. And similarly from 2 dash, 3 dash, and 4 dash. So this is my horizontal line from this point 1 dash intersecting my vertical line at certain point. These points will represent the point of my ellipse. So this point. Similarly, I'll go to 3 and 4. I'll go to 4 dash and 4. I'll go to 6 dash and 6. I'll go to 7 dash and 7. I'll go to 8 dash and 8. 9 dash and 9. You need to mark those points because these points represent the points of your ellipse. Next, you need to join this point, that is this point A with this point. So I'll join it. Then go to this point to this point. Here it is. Then from this point to point D. And then from this point to this point again. And from this point to point B. And from this point to this point as well. From this point to this point. From this point to this point. From point C to this point. From this point to point C. And from this point to this point, and from this point to point A. So this completes your ellipse. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.